which is going to be about device settings in the CrossChex Standard. So regarding to today's Anviz public trainings, add and configure the Anviz device in the PC software CrossChex Standard is the main topic for today. So let me get some brief for our Anviz companies. So our Anviz core technology is a bio-nanos. We do have the patent surveillance algorithm and the real-time video intelligence. Also, we do provide data privacy and also the securities. Yes, hello everyone. So in 2021, Anviz released the new product solutions, which is our cloud solutions. So now let's get in the topic, add device in the CrossChex Standard. So there are three communication methods which you can add device in the CrossChex Standard. But first, I will introduce to everyone about LAN. So LAN is the main logic. The second will be the LAN client. The third will be the USB. The USB is only for limited device only. So if you're using LAN to connect, the right picture is the logic, how it works with Wi-Fi or TCP/IP policy. So firstly, you have to run our CrossChex Standard software. And so you can get this part of trainings from our official website. So I will show this website in the last page. So the first, add device in LAN, you have to make sure your computer and also your device are connected in the same LAN, either the network or the Wi-Fi. Then you need to go to the device menu and go add device, click the add icons. So now you can either search a device or manually add it. So some device is able to do the UDP search to search device. Some device you may need to input device information manually to add it. So just be careful about device ID. So each device has the specific device ID. So please make sure device doesn't get conflicts. So the second, which is going to be about using the LAN client to connect. The right picture is the WAN connection diagram explanations. It meets the request if person from different regions can get access to the connect device with software. So for continue. So for examples, if we are located in the London and your device is located in the New York, you can use this way to connect your device with your software. So just wait me a second, it's here. So Miss Saeed, so right now our registration terminal is closed already, but later on I'm going to upload this video to our official website. So you can watch all the training course from our official website. and also your employees only also. Yes, sorry for the inconvenience. So let's go continue with the training today. So now you need to, let's continue with add device in the client mode. So you can configure device in client mode to connect it remotely, import the public IP and the corresponding port of the computer. The below picture is our new web-based setup page. So in the CrossChex Standard, please choose lane client plus DNS in the communication method. Please notice that each device should have its own unique device ID. So here's the things, just make sure the device ID need to be matched and also select the lane client and client DNS. The third will be using the USB to connect. So it's only can be used in M3, M5, M7, or T series device, VF30, P7, etc. If you're using the USB to connect the device, so also make sure device ID can be matched. And please select the first one, which has a USB. Please make sure once you add device, no matter which method you are using, please click the button, synchronize time to check the connectivities. They must show the synchronization successful in order to get device online. Otherwise, you may have some connectivity issues with your PC or device. So here's our global sales. So here's our video. Here's our website. So I will put this in the chat box. So everyone can go to the website to watch the previous training course. So feel free to go and watch our training course online. So now I'm going to do some short demo. So just give me 1 second. I'm going to open my software and share screen to everyone. So just give us some minutes. So we are going to get some device and back to you very quickly and show how it works, how to connect the device with the software. Here's our interface of the CrossChex Standard. The first thing is you need to go to device menu. And you need to click add device. And device ID, you have to make sure it's the correct one. So just give me 1 second. My colleague is getting some device for me so I can do some short demo for everyone. Yeah, sorry for the wait, everyone. So now I'm going to connect device with my PC and show how it works. So here's the T-series device I'm going to use. So this can be connected with a USB cable, which is a mini USB cable. So regarding to the T5 series device, you have to scan the main card first in order to activate the USB cable. Now I'm just scanned it. So I'm going to add device right now. So I believe everyone can see my screens. So here's the interface for the CrossChex Standard. So once you add device, make sure you synchronize the time. So you can see the synchronization is successful, so means it's working fine, and the device is online already. It's connecting with your software, with your PC. And next, I'm going to use the cable to connect with the software to show everyone how it works with the lane. It's gonna be last about next 5 or 10 minutes. So I'm set up the network settings for my CP300. So as my EP300 device, I'm using the Ethernet cable to connect with the PC directly. So now I can do the UDP search for my device. You can see the device is already showing on the display. So once you select device, just go add it. So you also need to make sure the device is online. So you need to do the synchronize the time. So one thing is just make sure is your device IP and also your PC's IP doesn't get conflicts. Otherwise, you may get some problems with the device online. So here's a short demo for the how connect the device with the software. So here's the time for the question. And if anyone has a concern, so feel free to ask. So I'm here to solve your concern. So can everyone hear me? Hello? Okay, so that's good. Okay, now it's a question time for everyone. So if anyone has a problems or concern about how connect the device with the software, just let me know. Yes, I see the questions already. So what's your question, sir? So feel free to ask a question this time, and you can leave the question in the chat box so I can read everyone's chat.
I said, can you please take us through the wireless connectivity of your biometric device, how to connect wirelessly?
So if you're using wireless, it's exactly the same logic. You just go to the network settings and also set up for the Wi-Fi. And then you put all the device number, device ID, and also device name. Put as exactly device IP address on which is showing in your Wi-Fi. And you can add device and synchronize the time.
Okay, what we discover most often is that we discover that it doesn't synchronize when you use the wireless. It doesn't synchronize except you use LAN. Is there anything we are doing wrong? Is there anything we are doing wrong?
Which device you are using, sir?
Anviz A2. What do you call it? I'm not in the office now. Please, just a minute.
So, sir, if you meet some problems or technical issues, how connect with device, you can send us tickets in our website. So our technical support is always online to help you. So at that time, you can do all the screenshot, everything, and send all the relative material to us. So we are going to evaluate your device, right?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, no worries. Thank you. Yes. So anything else, sir?
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. If we have issues, we'll contact you as you have just said.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So if no concern or the question at this moment, I think today's public training is done. Thank you everyone for attending the training today, and thank you so much for everyone. I appreciate your time. So I've seen you have some concern about it. So may I know, so what's going on about your side, Saeed? Do you have the client software? Client software, 不要。 So for our cross-check, so it can be used as a client mode. So you don't have to use a client software to connect with a cross-check. So if you have any concern or the questions about SQL Server or some things, and I suggest you to send the trouble tickets online. And also you can watch our previous training videos. So it's also online. Anything else, sir? 放过了，放过了，放在那 chat box。So, sir, I would like you to send trouble tickets on our auto, which is our official website, and provide screenshot everything. And we are going to evaluate why it's not able to connect device to the SQL server. Anything else? So if no question or concern at the moment, thank you so much. And I appreciate your time today. And let's see at the next training. Thanks so much, everyone.